Hi folks, we are almost to the end. Okay, if you are there with me so far, you're great. You have already done a great job with me, I guess. Okay, I didn't do much. You people did it. If you are still with me so far. Okay, so where are we? We are to the end, right? Conclusion part. But before getting into the conclusion things and the decision making thing, I need to talk a little bit more about certain features. Okay, so I definitely suggest you when it comes to features, like there is a lot more to explain and that lot more to explore. Okay, so I suggest you to go check the guide. I'll leave the link for the guide official documentation below. Okay, so you can read more about SSR. There are some example projects also. There is some support. You can explore that. Okay, I'll leave this part to you. Then there is some note on backend integration, how backend integrations can be done. You can check that also. Even I haven't. I'll definitely do. If I do, I'll make a video later. And there is a good comparison. Okay, there is a comparison guide. Okay, which I definitely suggest you to take a look. How Vite compares with all the other modern toolings like Snowpack or WM or something like that. Okay, or web server. It's definitely suggest you to take a look. And there is a guide, how will you deploy a static site? Actually, when it comes to deployment, right, it's pretty much similar. If you have what deploying any static app, okay, it can be a Vue.js app or it can be a React app. Okay, the process is pretty much similar. Okay, it will not change much. And you can deploy a Vite app on Netlify or you can deploy it on Vessel. Okay, it's pretty, the process is almost similar. Okay, that's why I didn't cover much. You can deploy it to Netlify, Google Firebase, Sage, Heroku, Vessel, and Azure Cloud. Okay, you can take a look at that specific guides later if you want. Then there is some brief note how it works when it comes to production build at all, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, you can read more about static asset handling and dependency pre-bundling. Okay, how the way it. And one thing which I forgot to mention is that yeah, it has support for WebAssembly. Okay, you can use WebAssembly just like any normal module. It has support for web workers. Okay, and when it comes to build optimization, right, it does many jobs. Like see, there is some process going on under the underhood. CSS code scripting and some async chunk loading. Okay, you can read more about these things. Okay, I should definitely make a video on this. I'll make it. Okay, I'll make it in the future and I'll add it. Okay, so but before that itself, you can explore since you already have some fair understanding on. And this one thing I have to cover: globe import. Okay, this is one cool feature. So what does this mean is that you can even import like multiple files together. Okay, that's called as globe import. If you take a look at here, this what they are doing, const modules got to import that meta.globe. They're importing from a directory BAR. Inside of that, they're importing all the JS files. Okay, this is a regular expression. So this actually converts like this. Okay, say having said it has two files like foo.js and bar.js, it will convert like this. Okay, so this called as globe import. You might not use it in your project right away, but what knowing it. And yeah, what else did I miss? Plugins. Yeah, so plugins, right? When it comes to plugin support, it's actually already mature. Okay, and the reason for that is there is something called as rollup. Okay, if you ask me, you can actually tell what is Vitejs means. Vite is equal to rollup plus ES build. We can say, okay, it actually uses ES build, the power of ES build and rollup and roll. Okay, so rollup is actually, I'll show you what rollup is. So what rollup means? Rollup is one other bundler that has exclusive support. Okay, it's a module bundler which has exclusively mature plugin interface. Okay, they already have so much of plugins. So what we does is it uses the power of rollup, okay, plugins ecosystem, and just add some Vite specific option to it. That's it. Okay, so which means you already have a mature plugin support. You will find plugins for anything you would need, okay, with Vite. So you can directly, so this is one powerful thing. And what else? You can also create your own plugins, okay. Okay, we almost covered it, I guess. And what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, browser support. Can I split this video into two? If you didn't mind, I'll do it. Okay. We'll get into the conclusion part later. Okay. So browser support, right? Maybe I'll cover browser support and the conclusion part in the next video. Okay. We'll do that. That will be cool. Thank you. Bye.